Can you use Google Wallet to pay online in 2025? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here, can you still use Google Wallet to pay online in 2025? Let's break it down clearly with what's real and what's not and how it all works today. So yes, you can use Google Wallet to pay online but only indirectly. So Google Wallet is your digital vault for storing cards, not a payment system by itself. So when you add a debit or credit card to Google Wallet, it activates Google Pay functionality behind the scene. So even though the Google Pay app has shut down in many regions, the Google Pay checkout button is still active on supported websites and apps. And here is what you can do with Google Wallet online in 2025. So you can shop on websites or app that shows the Google Pay button like Uber, Airbnb, Etsy, or Instacart. You can tap the Google Pay button at checkout. You can instantly pay using a card stored in your wallet. No need to type card details. And with that, there is disadvantage too. So here is what Google Wallet does not support. So you can't use it like a PayPal. There is no standalone pay with wallet button, and here you can't pay on website without a Google Pay option. You can't send or receive money. You can't link your bank account directly. So yes, it's very safe. Google uses tokenization, so your real card number isn't shared with the seller and it's encrypted and secure, and you can only use it online where the Google Pay or GPay button is visible. And if the site does not support it, you will need to enter your card details manually. So, to wrap it up, Google Wallet stores your card and Google Pay handles the checkout only when it's supported. So, if you see the Google Pay button, you're good to go. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.